Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to connect your Namecheap domain to Google Sites? In this video, we will guide you throughout the process of linking your Namecheap domain to your Google Sites website, giving it a professional touch. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, have you ever wondered how you can change the URL of your Google Sites from something like that when you click on publish right here, and you'll find here this is like the domain that will be basically given to you, and this is like the URL. This is basically the URL that you will have after you get like a free website on Google Sites. So this is our website. This is how it looks like, and it doesn't look professional at all. It doesn't represent our brand, it doesn't represent ourselves, and it does not have any meaning to have such website with this domain for any kind of brand, any kind of type of work that you want visitors to know about, and you want to actually have like a community that's regularly going throughout your website. So such website is very hard, first of all, to actually get the access to, since I'm not gonna simply just write site.google.com/view/ the name, which I have to write all of that just to get the access to websites, which will make me lazy to do all of that. And also it doesn't, as I said at the beginning, represent anything. So how can we figure out and log in or connect a Namecheap domain with Google Sites? First of all guys, we need to go to Namecheap and get a domain name. So let's go here, Namecheap, and let's have a domain name but through their platform. So go to domains, click on domain name search, and right click on it. After you did that, you will have here some of their domains that are basically there's a big variety. So there is .com, .my, .net, .store, .biz, .pro. So as you can see here, you will find here the most popular domains that people are actually buying and getting. This is of course the king of domains, which is .com, and this one is a true internet original. So there is also here deals which are very insane deals that can go up till 97% of discount. So this is a very amazing thing to go for. Now for us, we need to have a domain which needs to have a name. So a domain can be the name of our brand, it can be something that represents us, or whatever thing that is related to our website, that presents our website. So for example, here I'm going to simply, just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna YouTube tutorial. I'm gonna write it of course wrong, YouTube tutorial or something like that, and let's search. Let's see if there is anything that we can get for this domain. Okay, as you can see, we got several domains that we can buy. Now the domain prices will vary a lot. It can start from $0.98, then it can go up till $1,000. So you need to understand that as well. Now the variation of pricings depend on a lot of things, such as the type of domain, for example, nowadays, and of course the trend. For example, the trend nowadays is basically AI. So when it comes to domain names, .com is $9. Here, as you can see, there is the .org is 7.48, the bot is 64, and the AI is 80. So the bot and AI, basically they are kind of similar. So in the trend basically nowadays is ChatGPT, Bard AI, Midjourney AI. So basically the prices of AI websites or domains are pretty high. That is why you will find that the price will of course vary from a domain to another. Of course, for us today, we could go simply, to keep it simple, to something that's very cheap and can represent the type of website you have. For example, if you have a store, you could go either for .store or for .shop. You can go, for example, for .wiki, .help, .tech if you are selling technology stuff or technical stuff, and much more. Now let's go here to my dashboard because I have my domain in it, and let me show you how it looks like. So this is the dashboard, and this is my domain name that I own at the moment. So in case I wanted to connect them with Google Sites, first of all, go to my website, and here on publish, as you can see here, let me go to editor, and yeah, right here. So you can see, go to this icon which you will have like this parameters, and you will find custom domains. First of all, when you try to actually publish a website for the first time, they will give you the option to change the domain, but since I have already published it, I have to go through this way. So go to settings and click on custom domains and click start setup. Here add your domain. So let's go for example with this one, copy paste it, click on next. The domain is not verified. Please verify your ownership, so I have to verify it. So here are URLs across your prefix domain, continue, and here we go. So here verify domain ownership via DNS record. So we have to either have txt or cname. I'm going with cname, and here copy the cname and host and label and destination target. So let's copy them and then put them in our website domain name. So let's go here, click on manage, go and make sure that the name server is made to Namecheap basic DNS. Go to advanced DNS, and right through here make sure to go to a new record, a record, and from this area you will have hosting value. So I'm going here, copy the host, and this is the value, and it should be added automatically just like that. This is cname, sorry, not a record, it is cname, so let's add it like that, paste it, add it, and simple just like that. We have now to click on verify below. So this may take a minute. The name ownership verification failed. Let's just try it again and it should work. Let's go to cname label, CNAME destination. We just have to wait a little bit because this is just been made. This can take a few minutes, so we have to wait a little bit. Let's verify it once more. If it don't work, well, we have to wait like a couple of minutes. But originally this is how you can do it. Or either if you can have the access to your website, like if your website or domain name is connected to a hosting, then you can copy this text and directly insert it in the DNS configuration of your website. So sign into your domain name provider, copy the text record below into the DNS configuration and paste it right there. So for now we can wait a little bit, and basically once it is done, you will find it right here. So domain name provider, we're going to find your verification token in your domain text record. We found this DNS text record instead, so they have to actually have the actual CNAME thing connected, which I already did, but as I said, we must wait a couple of minutes until it is realized business server and send it back here. And once it is verified, you can simply click on next and confirm, and your domain will be connected with your Google Sites website. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and that was it for today's video. Thank you a lot, and see you guys in the next video.